Hey, crypto trading friends, this is going to be video number 15 out of 17 out of my Crypto Trading for Beginners series. And today I'm going to be talking about some of the most common crypto trading mistakes to avoid and why you should be avoiding them. But before we dive into the video, for those of you guys who are looking for a solid crypto exchange to trade crypto futures on and would like to try the same exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange here with the link in the video description down below this video. All right, guys. So, it's safe to say that starting out in crypto trading can feel absolutely amazing, but also overwhelming at the same time. All right. The market is extremely fast, it's extremely unpredictable, and it's open 24/7. And many beginners usually end up rushing into trades without preparation and end up making avoidable mistakes that end up costing them both money and confidence as well. So, because of this, I'm going to be going over some of the most common beginner crypto trading mistakes and how you can avoid them from the beginning. All right. So the first mistake that most beginner crypto traders make is trading without a plan, which is honestly why the majority of crypto traders end up failing and why only 1% of crypto traders or traders in general actually make it. All right. The problem here is most new crypto traders, they end up just jumping into random trades based on gut feelings, and they don't do any kind of technical analysis, any type of trade planning, or anything like that. And it's not actually trading either; it's just simply gambling. And the way to fix this issue is to simply create a simple trading plan for each trade that you take. And this goes along with trading logs from the previous video yesterday as well. So what you want to be doing is you want to be planning out your entries, your stop loss, your take profit levels, and the reason for your entry as well. All right. You want to stick to a plan no matter what the market does. All right. Now, the next mistake that many beginner traders tend to make is ignoring risk management. Most beginner traders, they go absolutely ape shit and they completely tend to go all in one trade, or they risk way too much of their account into each trade. And this is never a good idea because all it takes is one bad trade and your entire trading account is completely wiped out. All right. And the way to fix this mistake is by following the 1 to 2% rule that all successful traders follow and allow only risk 1 to 2% of your trading account on each trade. And you also want to be using stop losses on every trade as well, simply to prevent yourself from taking on larger losses. All right. Now, another mistake that most beginners love to make is using too high of leverage way too soon. All right. Many of these people will jump into trades with wild leverage amounts. And I mean absolutely wild leverage amounts, such as stuff like 50x and 100x, sometimes even 125x, simply because they're playing off of their emotions and trying to get rich quick. And yes, sometimes people do get lucky and win big, but the majority do not, all right? Using this high of leverage can absolutely wipe out your entire trading account in a matter of literal seconds. So it's insanely risky to be using that kind of leverage. And the way to fix this issue is to trade the spot market instead, or use a lower leverage amount until you are able to be consistently profitable with it. If you're serious about becoming an actual crypto trader, the goal here is to focus on your skills, not shortcuts. All right. Overall, here, guys, every single beginner on the planet makes mistakes. All right. Every single one. I did. You probably have. Everybody has. All right. It's part of the learning process. It's all part of the learning process. And the key is to learn from those mistakes quickly so that you end up avoiding repeating those same mistakes over and over again. So treat trading like a skill that's to be mastered rather than a lottery ticket. All right. If you do that, you'll be just fine growing into a mature crypto trader in the long term. All right. Now, guys, in the next part of this 17 video beginner series, I will be talking about the best types of coins to trade and why they're the best types of coin to trade as well. All right. But before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you guys are serious about learning more about crypto trading and you haven't already joined, then I would like to go ahead and invite you guys to my premium crypto trading education Discord server where you can do things like ask me questions, you can get one-on-one help whenever you need it, you can see how I personally trade in real time, and you can get even more in-depth knowledge on crypto trading in general. And you can find the link to join in the description below this video as well. Outside of that, though, guys, if you enjoyed this video and you feel like you got some pretty decent value out of it, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button below to help me out. And with that said, guys, for those of you who stuck around and watched this entire video throughout the whole thing, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I hope to see you all in my future videos.